Hey, if you wonder how to properly wear your CMF Watch Pro, let me quickly explain. So, first of all, you have to remember to fasten your watch properly. So, what does it mean? You cannot actually put it like too tight on your wrist, so it will actually make some pressure on your hand and you will feel uncomfortable. But also, you actually cannot put it too loose. So if you put it too loose, like for example in this Apple Watch, like I put it right like this, as you can see, it is going to move around my hand, up and down, left and right. And why it's actually bad? So on this watch and on the CMF Watch Pro, you can find this sensor, and it's actually measure your blood oxygen level, your heartbeat, and the stress level. So you actually have to put this watch tight on your wrist to get all of these measurements accurate. So this is very important. And also you shouldn't actually put the watch too high. For example, right here, because it will actually block the bend of your wrist. So you should actually put it a little bit higher. In my case, I'm using it like this, and now I can easily move my watch. So it's especially useful when I'm in the gym and doing some exercise, especially when I'm making this, my forearm training. So it actually allows me to easily move my wrist. And yeah, this is it. Just remember to do not put it also too tight, because it will make the pressure on your hand, and after a few moments you will just feel uncomfortable. So we have to actually check each of this dot and check which one actually feels the best for you. And just remember to have like 1 or 2 finger space between your wrist and your watch. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.